What a beautiful day for a great What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. Go find that toy! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right leads... Right leads to the tunnel. Left leads to... This adventure box contains this adventure. The tunnel is nearby. That's the way. Just slice or tap it to open.